Today we're going to be putting together a wonderful hot chocolate bar and s'mores bar. I'm going to be putting my hot chocolate bar and s'mores bar together outside in my outdoor kitchen. My husband loves spending time out there, and we can have dinner and relax and enjoy some hot chocolate and make some s'mores after dinner. This wonderful collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life Home Decor, At Home with Lisa, Design with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Barbie Daily, Rural Life, and Jennifer at Home. Other channels may also be listed below. I am so happy to be part of this collaboration and putting together this special s'mores and hot chocolate station. We'll definitely be wanting some cups to make our hot chocolate. I'll be adding some bowls to the tray to take outside. We'll want our graham crackers, our marshmallows, and of course, our little chocolate bars. I'll add a couple of napkins to the hot chocolate station. We'll each need a spoon to stir our hot chocolate, and we'll want to add some marshmallows for the hot chocolate too. To make our hot chocolate tray extra special, let's add in a few decorative leaves and some precious little acorns. We have everything we need for our outside hot chocolate and s'mores bar. We'll take these things out and get set up. My husband will be so excited to spend the evening relaxing outside with a nice hot chocolate and a s'more. I'm going to add a cozy little throw blanket to the chair just in case it gets a little chilly. A lantern will be really nice and cozy with a beautiful candle inside. I'll add some flowers and a nice little decorative pumpkin. I'll also fill up and take out this electric hot water pot. This will be perfect to make our hot chocolate in the outdoor kitchen. The only other thing I need is a little bit of foil to wrap our s'mores to put on the smoker grill. While we're waiting for our hot chocolate water to heat up in the little teapot, I'm going to open up these little Hershey bars and start putting the s'mores together. We'll add our chocolate and our marshmallow. We'll put the top on, wrap it in foil, and put this on our smoker grill. It'll heat up nicely. And then when it's done, we'll have a wonderful little s'mores treat. While Alan puts the s'mores on the smoker grill, I'm going to get busy making the hot chocolates. It is the perfect evening outside tonight under the stars for some wonderful little relaxing treats at the end of a work week. My husband and I are celebrating our anniversary. I can't believe we've been married well over 30 years. My, how fast the time goes. Of course, we'll want to add in the marshmallows. And there we have it, a wonderful hot chocolate. Let's see how our s'more turned out. Oh, it's wonderful. A big, fluffy, toasted marshmallow. It looks absolutely delicious. Here is our wonderful hot chocolate s'more station. It'll be the perfect evening for two, outside under the stars, relaxing with all of these wonderful little treats, s'mores and hot chocolate. I had so much fun participating in this wonderful s'mores and hot chocolate collaboration. Be sure to check out all of the other channels. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for being here. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.